What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. Kaspa is on the moon mission, man. It is a monster in this space. It does not stopping for anything. Bitcoin is retracing, but Kaspa still pumps. Kaspa doesn't care about the markets. It's doing its own thing, guys. Kaspa is a unicorn, a beast. Just one of the best projects I've ever seen in crypto. It is probably the best project I've ever seen in crypto, man. Like this is all like beer. You guys don't like how I pronounce beer market. It's my accent, okay? This is with the worst market conditions we could have, man. Kaspa is pumping like it's a bull market, guys. So imagine when we're peak bull market, what Kaspa will do in the bull market, man. That $1 to $5 Kaspa target for a lot of people, I'm telling you, that looks like it's really in the cards, man. And you know, we gonna be here every step of the way to check it out, guys. Caspians, if you're tuning in, you bullish as I am, you happy about the gains you're getting, because I'm happy, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description, guys. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now Cas right now is up 10%, sitting at 3.7 cents, just around that 4 cent mark, guys. $739 million in market cap, $24.3 million in 24-hour trade volume. We're going for the billion market cap, guys. We're going for the billion market cap for Kaspa, man. Look at how this chart is so freaking bullish. Is it a new all-time high? Yeah, Kaspa is on the way for a new all-time high, man. That is absolutely insane. And I'm telling you guys, with the trade volume Kaspa is getting and how big the project is, like tier 1 exchanges will list Kaspa, like with no question. They'll see that volume and be like, oh nah, we got to get this volume on our exchanges. And that's when you're gonna see Kaspa go to 3, 5, 10 billion dollars in market cap, no problem, right? Let's see what the community is saying. Kaspa soon will be 15 cents, and it's very easy. Fully agree. That's this year. Friendly guy, what price will Kaspa be in 2025? And we got a vote, we got a poll. Oh yeah, $1 to $5 for sure. Oh, I can't vote. I'm not signing on this account. $1 to $5 for sure. People that are voting for 5 to 10, even that is possible, man, because Kas is just such a beast. I'm bullish on Kas. Kas with the market cap of Doge is a 121x from here, puts it at $4.47. Ghost Protocol, Kas still early at 3 pennies. It's still early at 4 cents, man. It really is. If you guys could get right now, 50k Kas is around what, $2,000? Yeah, 50k Kas, that's a nice bad to have, man. Kas is getting more and more expensive. 09, I'm bullish on Kas. Is Octospace good? Please advise. Octospace is cool, but nothing like Kas, man. Kas is like the #1 altcoin for me, man. it is. Haji, I'm bullish on Kas. Allen, Kas amazing. Escobar, don't sleep on this token, it will go higher. Kas, your $50 investment will be how much is this? $50 will be 50,000 tomorrow, so don't be late, buddy, man. Kas could make some crazy gains in the future for you, man. If you got the 1 million Kas though, man, it gotta be nice to be sitting on a million Kas, man. It gotta be so nice to be sitting on a million Kas. But yeah, man, this project is unlike any other I've seen in the space, and the price action proves it, right? 66k followers. They recently had some news that they're gonna get a web wallet. Big news from the Kaspa community. We are crowdfunding for a browser wallet extension, giving you secure and convenient online storage for Kas with user-friendly features, merchant mode, and more. Join us and help make this game changer reality. Browser wallet extension meaning like MetaMask. You see how you have MetaMask or a Trust wallet, or on your computer, like you know, in your extensions. That's gonna be super bullish for Kas, man. So you know, whenever the smart contracts go live, people are gonna be aping meme coins on Kaspa. They're gonna be aping meme coins on Kaspa, trying to get their next 100x, which is gonna be crazy. Browser wallet extension. Kaspa developers, CAF and PX, not Thomas, have launched an exciting crowdfunding initiative. The proposed wallet is intended to be compatible with Firefox and Chrome-based browsers. Awesome. utilize technologies such as TypeScript, React, Material UI, and WASM. The successful crowdfunding would offer secure online storage for cash. Moreover, the wallet is designed to come with a user-friendly contact list. The wallet won't be a one-size-fits-all. It is designed to include customizable settings. Nice. Beyond personal use, the wallet offers website interoperability and shopping functionality. Okay, and they got the plan for everything. Crowdfunded goal is 750,000 Kaspa. Week 1 development, week 2 implementation, week 3 rollout, week 4 integration of translations, week 5 preparation, post week 5 publication on web stores. Okay, and then they got the information if you want to donate. But you see what I mean by this is all community built. There's no like, again, there's no like CEOs or like anybody that's responsible for this development. This is, again, just the community putting in that work for Kaspa. You see, when it comes to meme coins, for example, communities like what makes a project go insane, right? All the previous meme coins, Shiba, etc., they went to crazy market caps because of community. Kaspa has, you know, more community, or the type of community that a meme coin would have, but it also has technology and use case. It also has the best technology and use case, and that's why that combination is so successful for Kas, man. Those two things make a huge widely, you know, massive project, right? Great stuff right here, you know, great stuff. Kaspa enthusiasts, ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats, fasten your seatbelts. Kaspa is ready for a new pump. It's going bonkers, man. It's crushing it. Kaspa, from Jim Ski Bum, Kaspa has officially broken out of the 7.786 with Fibonacci level. The chance of this rally not going to a new all-time high imminently is low. So new all-time high for Kaspa incoming, man. Previous all-time high was around 4 cents. It looks like we're creeping up on that, guys, and it's about to be broken, man. Kaspa new all-time high, market cap rank number 59, buying power. So on CoinGecko, we're 59. Let's see where that's at on CMC, man. We're 59 right now on CoinGecko, right? So we are literally above Bitcoin SV, Phantom, INJ, Render, Curve, Neo, Flow, Gala, Pepe, KCS, you know, Luna Classic is still in the top 100. Sui Network, GMX, you know, we're above all of these, man. So imagine when it's when people could actually see Kas on Coin Market Cap, right? Wouldn't that push it straight up to like the top 30s, like instantly, pushing it above like Near, Quant, VeChain, Crow? I wouldn't rule it out, man. Like as soon as it's viewable on its correct, you know, number on CMC, that's gonna make it pop up even more. I hope you all understand now why did I in fact market sell what BTC I had and slammed it directly into Kas the other day. Kas is a proof of work running at 1 block per second, processing blocks in parallel without orphaning blocks, and has the on-fly automatic header pruning to stay efficient and fast. It's the most advanced proof of work to date with instant transactions just like XRP or whatever, but it's provably decentralized, free of launch with no core entity behind it and no VCs or pre-mine. Had a brain fart just there, guys. Kaspa aims to fulfill the original vision of Satoshi, a scalable, stateless money, which is why we should all which is why we are all here in crypto in the first place, and that is correct. I'm here for the decentralization. Omish Kas will lead the bull market. I'm just say will be the top 3 cap in 2025 and top 2 by 2030. If you don't realize it, it's your problem. I don't have time to explain. Do your own research, man. And that's so true, guys. Like, people are gonna fade it, but it's on them, man. Apparently Coin Bureau was told about Kas at 005. Insane. He said he'd look into it, but he didn't cover it. But the more noise it makes, eventually Coin Bureau gonna make a video on it, man. Crypto Mocro, Kas is very close to reach the top 60 on CoinGecko. It's already up there. It's already up there, man. It's time to wake up. Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, OKX. Those exchange listings are incoming, man, and Cas the strongest community. Cas, the vision behind this project is to build a Nakamoto-like service that operates on the internet speed. We wanted to build a system that surpasses the limits of Satoshi's V1 protocol, yet adhere to the same principles embedded in Bitcoin. Jonathan Sompolinsky, founder of Cas, he just made the protocol, man. He ain't really doing much anymore for the project. He just made the protocol, put it out there, and the community and community developers, anybody, open source, that's the reason why Cas is successful. Crazy, man. Eskander, shout out to you. Cas best 2023 performer. The picture speaks for itself, man. A 170x already for Cas, and it got another 200x in it, 300x in it. I'm telling you, you guys think it's over. It's not over, man. It's not over. Jim Skibum, last call to all passengers. The train is leaving the station. The path to $4 is intact for Cas. Charts are simply human emotion personified. Exactly. We've seen Kaspa so far and expect exact repetition of the parabolic rise we had in ADA and ETH. People often underestimate how violent and parabolic explosion can be in dismissed projections such as this. However, I will point you to the fact once again that charts are simply human behavior personified. At the Cas 1 cent mark lows, we had ASIC FUD at the peak. We will have stories of new paradigm of money. Kaspa is 10 years plus in the making by some of the most cited academics in the industry who are developing ways to scale BTC back to 2013. 10 years later, after even more work casts that coin, there's no doubt we are going to have an epic run. And Cas is following that run that ETH and ADA did. And it's wow. So if it keeps following that fractal, we could see a $4.10 Kaspa. Shout out to everybody in the community. Shout out to Jim Skibum, everybody that makes such great content on Cas, man. Hey, support all content creators with Cas, man. Support my channel as well. Like, subscribe, blow these videos up. Let's spread the awareness. Let's make Cas go viral all over YouTube. People open up YouTube to their homepage. The first thing they see is Cas, so go rewatch all my Kaspa videos, guys. I got them in a playlist for you guys as well. I got them in a playlist, Kaspa playlist right here. Go rewatch those videos, man. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Cas is gonna keep crushing it. Let's go back to the chart. Cas is gonna keep crushing it, man. Look at that, just breaking out. This is insane, man. It's nice making gains in crypto. After you take so many L's in crypto, when you make gains, you're super happy about it, man. It's crazy. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.